Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to apply for a secured credit card via Nerdwallet. If you're building or rebuilding your credit, a secure credit card can be a great starting point. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a secured credit card using Nerdwallet so that you can make the best choice with confidence. First, start by going to the credit card section on Nerdwallet. From the navigation menu, you want to look for secured credit cards. You're gonna find it under the build credit or low credit filter. Once you're on the secured credit card page, Nerdwallet displays a curated list of top cards for building credit. You're gonna see at a glance details like annual fees, deposit requirements, and approval odds. That, of course, if you're logged in. Click on any cards to read a detailed review. This page will give you all the essential information. That's minimum deposit required, credit reporting practices, and whether the user allows you to upgrade to an unsecured card later on. Look for cards that report to all three credit bureaus and have a reasonable deposit requirement. Some cards may even offer rewards or automatic credit limit reviews after a few months of on-time payments. Once you find a card that fits your need, simply click the Apply Now button. Nerdwallet will redirect you to the issuer's secure application page where you can fill out your personal and financial information. Make sure you have your bank's account details ready to fund your security deposit. Most issuers require a deposit of $200 or more through some accepted less, though some accept much less than that. Now, after submitting your application, you will typically get a decision within minutes. If approved, your card is going to be mailed directly to you and your deposit will be held as collateral. Applying for a secured credit card through Nerdwallet is a straightforward way to take control of your credit journey. Just follow the steps, compare your options, and choose a card that will help you grow your credits with confidence. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.